More official studies should be done on the weighted jump ropes and how they affect your muscles. But in my personal experience, I found that they give me great results, especially getting lean muscle. You're not going to get very big, but you are going to see some muscle growth just using a weighted jump rope.
I did get some muscle growth while using a weighted jump rope. More importantly, I was able to maintain my strength while using weighted jump ropes. It was something that was very important to me to maintain how strong I was. In fact, I felt like I was even stronger after using the weighted jump ropes. Now, this is more of a functional workout than a traditional workout where you're lifting like barbells and things like that. This is just something that helps you out with your everyday life. So you're not lifting as much as you can, but the weight moves around a lot. So while you're using the weighted jump rope, you're actually adjusting to the weight each time, so it's not the same all the time. So that's mainly why you're not gaining a lot of size, but you're able to get stronger.